Hello, welcome back to JB Solutions. On today's episode, we are making a review of this our smartwatch, which is FK88. This is FK88 Smartwatch. Yes, we want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to all our subscribers for reaching 1,000 subscribers. Thank you and stay blessed. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, you can just click on the subscribe button and you give us like, please. Thank you. So let's go back to this. This is a FK88 smartwatch that we are making a review on today. This is how the carton comes in. Yes, I own this very watch for some time now. This is how it is. So this color here shows it is pink color that is inside. So let's dive in. This is the unboxing. The first thing you see is this: design it for building an amazing lifestyle. Inside is what you will see is the strap, an extra strap that you will see, which is the silicone strap inside. This is the silicone strap inside. While the second thing here is the manual. This is the manual. The manual comes both in English language and Chinese language. This is how the manual is. This is it. So we don't actually need the manual now. The next thing you see is the watch. This is how the watch comes. This is a gold watch, gold color watch. The watch, the nylon strap. This is a nylon strap. Yes, this is how it is, the second strap. And here comes the charger. This is it. Here comes this charger. The charger says smartwatch model FK88. Input is 5.0 V voltage and equal to 500 amps, made in China. This is how it is. So for you to charge it, all you need to do is just to remove this plastic nylon and place it this way. Once it is placed this way, you can just insert this where you want to charge. That is it. While inserting this, I mistakenly switch it on. So there's nothing inside the carton again, so we are taking this aside. So this is how the watch comes. I think I have to put it off back and we'll start everything. Let me put it off. Okay, so this is it. We are removing the plastic nylon. So this is it. Yeah, this is more edible than the previous types that we've made the reviews. So the screen is sharp and it comes with a gorilla screen glass. So at the bottom it is written Series 6 compatible with iOS and Android 4.0 Bluetooth watch and pedometer heart rate sensor. So this very place is a area where you can be able to charge it while you place it on the charger. This is a very sensor area. Here comes the button, the menu button, and it is scrollable. This place is scrollable. You can switch it on here and you can take it back to menu from here. So let's just go into it by switching it on. When you switch it on, this is how it comes. So the first thing you see is a watch face, and there are different types of watch faces that this watch comes with, which we are going to buy. Okay, this is the first one. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, I think, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24 watch faces. Yes, it comes with 24 different watch faces, and you can also customize the watch faces as you like by inserting your own battery. So the next thing here is when you click on this very place, it will take you to the dialing area, whereby you'll be able to dial any number you call. You can make calls on it and you can receive calls on it. On our the next video we'll be making a review, not a review again, we'll be showing you how to connect this very smartwatch to your smartphone. So let's go in by it is so sliding it from the left to the right, you will get the menu. From the menu you will see where the first thing you see is the message. Message. This is where your message comes in. If it is connected, it will show here. So the next option is a dial. You can dial any number as you like. The next is your phone book. Once it is connected, the phone book will synchronize. It will synchronize with your phone book. So the next is call log. This place you can see the missed calls, dial calls, received calls, and so on and so forth. This is the area whereby you can connect to your to your phone Bluetooth from here. This is the pedometer for your sports. So this is step counting, and the next thing here is this pilot for sports 2, fitness for sports 2, sleep mode. If you click on it, you can time your sleep. Here is the weather, for you to know the actual weather for now. So this is another sports mode where you will see outdoor walking, indoor walking, outdoor running. So there are different options here. If you click on these, these are different sports exercise that you can be doing. It is very good for sports, most especially if you want to lose weight or you want to keep fit. These are the things that you just need to hold on with. So the next is add your heart rate. This can check your heart rate. Once you place it this way, this very place will blink. Let's just redo it again. Measuring. This is it now. So it is blinking now, trying to measure the heart rate. So let's just see music. Once this watch is connected to your phone, you will be able to go through all of this. Without it, we cannot do anything. So the timer, you can actually set your timer from here. You can customize timing. Your alarm clock, you can set your alarm. This is stopwatch too. You can use this very smartwatch to find your phone once it is connected, and you can use your smartphone to find your watch once it is connected by clicking on this find. So once it is paired, it will look for it itself. So display, there are different menu styles. This is the smart style. We have bring out different menu styles. The listing. Sorry, I pressed on another place. Okay, this is the smart style and the list style. The smart style will bring out the iOS interface, whereby you will be able to see it in iOS type. Let me just click on it. So this is how it is. This is a smart style. So for we to go back now to where we are before, we just need to go to the settings. I think I'm trying to get on the settings. Oh, sorry, my bad. Okay, this is it. Sorry. Okay, display. Click on display. Change the smart style to list style. This is what we are used with on this very smartwatch. So the next option now is the settings. From here you will see different options. Your Bluetooth settings, clock settings, you can set your clock. Your sound settings, you can increase the volume and decrease the volume. I think my hand is just too big for this. So the ring, you can put it on ringing only, the ringing volume, ringing type, different ringing options. This is the sound. I think, let me change it again. This is very low. I think we need to just increase the volume first. Notification tone, let me increase the volume by, no, okay, and notification. Okay, so now we can go back, go to the sound, click on the sound. It is louder now. Okay, so let's just go back. The next is this, the volume. We've done that. Display, which is a smart style and the sleek style. You can change the language from here, choosing different language, and you can choose to say the last name first or first name first once it is saved. So you can reset if you are having an issue with it, with the settings. You can just reset from here. And this is the about. The about says device name FK88, the device address, early address, everything. This is it. So this is how it is. So from there now, the next option is remote capture. You can actually use this very smartwatch to make a photo capturing on your phone. Once it is connected, you use this to snap a selfie on your phone. So the next is about, which you've seen, and the reset, you've seen it before. Language, you've seen it before. QR code, if you want to connect it to your phone, once you click on it, it will bring out the QR code for you to scan. The motion, flip to mute incoming call, flip to mute alarm on. So you can just use this for your motion working. Maybe if there's any incoming call, once you flip it and you don't want it to make any sound, you flip it to go off. So this is what this says: gesture wake up system, okay, on. That is, if you look at your phone, it will bring out the screen of the watch. This is Siri search. If it is connected, you can actually use Siri on this phone. This is power saving. You can reduce the consumption of power by putting off some of the applications in it. This is it, and it will last you longer. Actually, the battery of this phone will last you for like a day or two, unlike the T500, whereby you will use it for like up to like a week or more sometimes. So power off. If you want to put it off, you can just switch it on off from here by clicking on OK. Once you click on OK, it will go off. So this is it for this very smartwatch. Generally, I really do like this smartwatch because this is an upgrade to the Series 5 smartwatch. Thank you, and stay blessed. If you really like this video, please click on our like button, and you can subscribe to our channel for more of the video. Thank you, and stay blessed. Bye bye.